Canada confirms. Extra GST payment. If your wallet's feeling lighter these days, we get it. Between gas, groceries, and rent, Canada's living costs have left many folks scrambling. The good news? Ottawa just confirmed extra GST payments for 2025. Yep, more cash in your pocket kind of help. Whether you're a single parent, new to Canada, or a couple trying to make ends meet, this 2025 GST/HST credit increase might be just the breather you've been hoping for. Canada's 2025 GST/HST credit increase is more than just a tax perk. It's a lifeline for working-class families, students, newcomers, and anyone navigating this high-cost economy. With quarterly cash hitting your account and no separate application needed, it's one of the easiest benefits you can access just by doing your taxes. So if you haven't already, mark your calendar, file that return, and get ready for a little financial breathing room this year. What is the GST/HST credit? The Goods and Services Tax, GST, or Harmonized Sales Tax, HST credit, is a tax-free quarterly payment from the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, meant to offset the taxes you pay on everyday items, especially if you're low or modest income. You get it automatically if you qualify. No long form, no separate application. Just file your taxes and the CRA takes care of the rest. How much will you get in 2025? Here's the breakdown for the payment period from July 2024 to June 2025. Single individual, up to 519-year married common law couple, up to 680-year per child under 19. Extra 1 to 79-year quarterly payout estimates look like this. Single, 129.75 couple, 107 per child, 44.75. So a family of 4, 2 adults, 2 kids, could receive 170 plus 44.75 plus $44.75, $259.50 per quarter. That's $1,038 annually. Tax-free GST/HST payment dates for 2025. Mark your calendars. CRA pays out every 3 months on these dates. January 3rd, 2025, April 4, 2025, July 4, 2025, October 3, 2025 if your total credit is under $200, expected in one lump sum in July. Eligibility requirements. You may qualify if you're 19 plus years old, or you have a spouse, common law partner, or you're a parent living with your child. You're a resident of Canada for tax purposes. You file your annual income tax return, even with zero income. If your income is below these thresholds, you'll likely qualify for full or partial GST credit. Real-life example, scenarios: Emma, single, no kids, income, $28,000, gets 519-year, $129.75 per quarter. Raj and Priya, 2 kids, family income, $45,000, gets $170 plus $44.75 too, or $259.50 quarter. 138-year student, 20 years old, no job. As long as they file a return, eligible for partial credit. How to apply? Spoiler, you don't have to. Just file your 2024 tax return in spring 2025. The CRA uses it to check if you qualify, calculate the amount, schedule your payments. New to Canada? Use RC 151, no kids, RC 66, plus RC 66 SCH with kids. What if you miss a payment? If 10 business days pass and no payment arrives, log into CRA, My Account, check your payment history. Each benefit is separate and tax-free. 25. Indexing. What's new starting? July 2025, CRA will increase GST payments to keep up with inflation. Singles, up to 349 couples, up to 698 per child, up to 184. Use the CRA mobile app. Want to check your GST status without calling anyone?